Hi, this is Legacy Handyman. I got a problem with the front sprocket because I didn't air up the shock, hit the ground and bend the sprocket. First thing you're gonna do is remove this Allen. It'll force the pedal off. Next, and take it out. Use the Torx wrenches to remove the sprocket and replace it. This is T25. Now we're gonna get a new sprocket and align this with the holes. It's only going one way. All three holes are visible. Only thing, we need to do it this way. Face going toward the pedal. And put that Torx screws back where they belong. Make it nice and tight. We got some loop here, so we're not gonna put any more. Just gonna put it in the bottom bracket. Put the chain on it. All the tools and materials we use in this video you can find in the link below. You can see it's a wide and narrow teeth. The wide teeth goes to the wide opening. All right. Ready to go. And we use an 8mm wrench. Put it back together. Okay. This is how you change the front sprocket. All the tools and materials you can find in the link below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos.